here the Champions Trophy. It's for you. For me? No way, it's mine. No, it's mine. Mine. The new MiniBikers season has arrived to your screen. Finally, hell has frozen since our last race. Yep, so much time has passed and my helmet turned white. At least it was your helmet and it wasn't your hair. Compared to Formula 1, this time we have so many changes. New teams, new riders, movements. Are you ready? Here we go! Let's show in just one scene all the changes for this year. Starting with the new teams. Trackhouse Racing arrived from NASCAR to MotoGP. So many people asked for mini NASCAR. Well, that was close. And VR46 turned into Pertamin Enduro PR46. Well, a full yellow bike. At least they didn't ask me to paint my hair too. Let's talk about riders now. Dijon Antonio sings with Pertamin Enduro. Yay, I have a new contract. I've been hearing that at the factory since January. Johan Zarco returned to LCR Honda. Yeah, I've come back home for Christmas. Yeah. Alex Rins went to Monster Yamaha. Woo! The Lion will become the new master. Luca Marini moved to Repsol Honda. The power of Honda in the palm of my hand. Mar Marquez moved to Racing Racing. And power? Come on, the real power is at Ducati. And the only rookie, Pedro Acosta at Gas Gas. I'm here to win at full gas, baby shark. Oh, a rookie who wants to win everything. Oh, the memories. Now that we know the grid, let's talk about the winter test. In Malaysia, we saw some new wings in MotoGP. Even we saw a front wings with KTM. Yeah! Hey, you're not in the baby. In MiniBikers, we already used front wings years ago. Oh, this is getting crazy with the aero, eh? By the way, don't look at my rear so much. What happened during the Preseason test in Japan? Banaya was the fastest rider. The champion must defend his crown. Followed by other Ducati of the grid. But someone else should get the crown this time. Alex Espargaro was really close to them. Wow! My moment has finally arrived. Goodbye, Ducati domination. Yeah. And the rookie Acosta finished on top 10. Watch out, here comes Pedro. And we arrived to the final test in Qatar. And we had an important surprise for the fans. That we're the strongest team and we made a 1-2 in Qatar. Aprilia with their new bike finished up close to them. Wow! Are they a menace for us? Nah, we're stronger than them. Phew! We'll see about that. And what about the other teams of the grid? KTM had a good pace finishing after Ducati. Maybe they have the speed, but we have Red Bull! Yamaha and Honda space were missing. We tried the same with Monster, but it didn't work. At least you have an energy drink. We lost it. We saw all the riders and teams, but someone was missing. Franco Morbidelli was injured and couldn't join the test. Oh, yes, I'm training with the simulator. But between races, I'm also playing Fortnite. Only 2 weeks to go and the season will start again. Who will win? Will Pecco repeat the victory? Or another rider will beat the Red Rocket? See you in Qatar! Oh my, I can't believe you gave me a new Pressure-matic! Oh, everybody's here! Wow, and it has a bonus mode too! to use it this season and change the standings.